Good evening, good evening. I am Pastor Elmarie from Cape Town, South Africa. I just come to give God all the glory, the honor, and the praise. Amen. On Thursday, Prophet prayed for us. And when the man of God prayed for us, I was actually Thursday very, very sad. And he just said to me, I must place my hand on my head, which I've done, and Prophet prayed for me. And while Prophet was praying, all the heaviness it just left me. I just felt a spirit of calmness that just came over me, and it was just wonderful to experience this peace. Prophet also prayed for my husband. And my husband had for, I think it's about 2 or 3 weeks, he had a severe pain on the right-hand side of his head, which caused sensitivity when the pain was not there. On Friday morning, he also then got this pain at 3 o'clock. We prayed, I laid my hand on his head, and an hour later the pain was gone with the sensitivity. And I know it is also due to the prayer that Prophet has done for him and our faith combined with it. Then later Friday afternoon, I phoned my supervisor. I'm doing counseling at a high school. I phoned the supervisor and I've asked him regarding our contracts for the year 2025 to 2026. And he said that it will be automatically renewed. There will be no recruitment. And why this is for me such a big testimony is because this is a youth program. And all the youth is only, I think, up till 35 years old is the people that work on the program. And I'm turning 62. So the grace of God has truly spoken for me. And on Saturday, the thing that also really, really blessed my heart is that after 5 years, I could go and have a nice swim in a swimming pool. And I can truly say for me, it feels like we've done these prayers for a long time, and we are only now in our 4th day. But the miracles, the signs and the wonders that happen to us, even the peace, even our prayers, everything just changed, and we thank God for this grace. And Prophet Joel Grace, we want to salute the grace and we thank God for you. Amen. Shalom.